Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. It's been a while since my last upload. Well, actually the intro of Hangry Rooster. And well, summer is gone. We're in September now already, so the weather starts to cool off and the temperature is workable because July, August is impossible here. So what has been done so far is I had to remove the exhaust line and the drive shaft, also the pipe, this small pipe here that connect the it's the fueling line. Why did I do so? Because I had to remove the gas tank, and you need to remove all those parts so the gas tank can fall freely. And I've just done it right now, so I removed the old one, and I did so because, as you can see, it is completely rusted inside, and there's also a lot of rust dust here. So that's the reason why I almost couldn't get here, because the fuel pump was getting filled with all this dust, and as you can see, the fuel pump is not very young either. Now I have the new gas tank, and well, it's pristine inside. So it is a galvanized tank with a special coating outside, but what's most important is that it's galvanized inside, so we shouldn't have any more problems, at least in a long period of time. One of the problems here with this gas tank is it's separated in half, like almost all the rear wheel drives car, so it has this hose here, small hose, which gets stuck with time. So for the new one, well, this small hose costs around like almost 200 euro. It cost almost 200 euro in the BMW spare part catalog. So I found this one, which is also gas prepared, and it's done here in Germany for this purpose, and it was like 20 bucks, 20 euro, sorry, not 20 bucks. It has to be maybe like $25 or something like that. So basically, this is where it fits. As you can see, it makes a perfect curvature. So this part, the left side of the tank is higher, so there's a nice curvature here, so the fuel flow naturally downwards. And there's also, which is a standard already, but there's also like a cup inside. This is where the suction of the gas is made by the pump, and this is what allows you to avoid to miss some gas on strong turns. And hopefully, well, with this upgrade, I think that it's gonna work properly. Anyway, we will try the car on the track afterwards, and I will try to my brother and I will try to make this as reliable as possible, because as you know, the project is to make an endurance race car. And the donor is this beast. It's a 318 Ti, so it's the 1.9 M44 B, I think it's B19 engine. It's 1.9, 16 valves, 140 horsepower, and on this car we can use the front axle, the rear axles, so we go to 5 screws instead of 4, and also we have brake discs on the back as well. So everything is plug and play. That's the magic of BMW. The gearbox, the engine, everything is plug and play. So once everything is out of this one will be crushed. If somebody is interested by the chassis, maybe we can make a sale. I mean, it's legal, road legal. I have all the paperwork to my name. So if you're interested in the chassis of the compact, the E36 compact, just well, leave me a message, a private message, or contact me, and we can come to an agreement on the price. The car is in Valencia, in Spain, so maybe you can find a transport to move it anywhere in Spain. But well, let me know. So that's the upgrade. I will now put the new gas tank in and fix it, and I still miss the gas pump, and I have it ordered, but I didn't went to pick it up because I have a lot of work past weeks. So thank you for watching. Hopefully when this is done I can take the E30 out because it's also road legal, so I have all the paperwork and insurance and everything, because I want to drive it a little bit, see how the differential in the back is, how's the shape of the differential in the back. The gearbox is off. The gearbox of this one is the synchros are pretty fucked up, so maybe I keep the gearbox for refurbish. That will be my first gearbox, so why not make a first gearbox with this one that is already dead. So that can be a good opportunity for me to fix it. Thank you for watching. Take care. I hope to put some more videos more often. Well, the campaign, the citrus campaign and potato campaign, which is I'm working. Actually, it's going crazy. So maybe I don't have much time, but I will try to put all the weekends I can and keep you posted. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.